Ndio hawa chini. Bora mna hela. Hello ladies. Hello ladies. Hebu mjione vile mwang'aa. Is it the phone or it's you people?
It's not the phone.
It's you guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this vlog is very special to me because it's not just my first ever girls trip vlog, but also I'm gonna share with you guys some very special memories on this vlog. So I am heading out to Diani. You can see my bag right there, almost packed. And I'm going out with an amazing bunch of women. There's 19 of us. Most of us have never met physically, but we are part of a life coaching, of the same life coaching WhatsApp group. Wild, right? And basically what I'm going to do in Diani, it's a September baby's birthday celebration. So they've been organizing it in the group. And I was just like, why not? But in addition to that, September has always been a very special month for me. For one, my late mom was a September baby. She was born on September 19th. And then unfortunately, she breathed her last in the quiet morning of September 5th, 2022. So she came into the world in September and left in September. So for me, this trip feels like my way of honoring her memory by spending it with a bunch of incredible women.
So I'm just in the Uber going to the airport. The flight is at 8 o'clock, it's 6:45, and I'm still here. I am still here at 6:45, decided to take expressway. Going to take the flight with Max. She's been there from 5:30. Look, this girl is just crazy. It's a local flight, for heaven's sake, yeah? So she's been there from 5:30 in the morning. She was like, I don't want to miss my flight. And since it's her first time flying, she was just like, oh no. Sorry? Guys, there is Maxi. She obviously looks so excited. Her first time flying.
Hi. Flying to Diani.
Her first time on an airplane. How are you feeling?
Yes. Fantastic. Fabulous. I'm excited.
She has been here for the last 3 hours. And it's a local flight. Poor her. Hey, uko salama?
Niko poa.
Hey, finally, it's coming to happen.
Yeah.
So this is Maxi.
Yeah.
We are now boarding. Yes. So me, I wanted even to document hiyo nini yako, venye unaweka mizigo. Max ni nani?
Nilikuwa naona nitaachwa.
Unaona utaachwa.
Imagine kuachwa na flight.
Utaambia watu nini? At what was it? ID na expire? Sikujua ID na expire? ID? Oh, okay. Here we are. Guys, Max ashikiki.
Hebu kwanza sijui utapost nataka picha.
Si lazima. See, that is why we are here.
As you prepare the car before departure, be sure all carry-on items are securely stored in the overhead bin and place smaller items under the seat in front. Airport. For on safety and comfort, please remain seated with the seat belts fastened until the cover capture complete stops and signs has been switched off. Please remember to put the seat pockets in front of you. When personal items you are placed during the flight, and to minimize contact as per air, cabin crew shall be opening the overhead bins for you.
watu wa village lazima waelewe. Huyo ni Mexi wetu. How does it feel? Your first time? So guys, we have just landed in Diani.
Yes.
The sun is out, the air feels different, the vibe is chilled, and we can't wait to meet the rest of the girls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's amazing. The flight was very, very awesome.
So now this is gonna be your means of transport moving forward.
Yeah. I love it. I want this all the time.
And you're claiming it and manifesting it.
Yes.
We are in Diani. Umesahau ulikuwa na mzigo. Oh, my mzigo number 1 and mzigo number 2. Just arrived at the apartment. This is a reception. Guys, naonaje? It's nice. And there's a pool area. Acha nifanyange room tour kabla mchafue. Hey guys, check that out. Where? It's a beautiful space. Hebu tu kidogo nikiteremka hivi. Ui, nishanga tu hapa kwa kujisumbua nani.
Goldie, yes! Let me receive the freshness. Ndege maneno.
Hey,
Hi, Goldie.
Hi. How is Diani?
Diani is fine. I'm just woken up.
Okay.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Let me guess who this is. Penina.
You Penina?
You are Penina.
No, you may be.
Oh!
Nice to meet you. Oh, you look so nice. Hey,
So do you.
hey, thank
So
you.
do you.
Hey. Oh, have you guys put your back?
Check out this table, guys. It's the shape of a dove. So beautiful. So this is the rest of the house. Oh.
are the rooms? Come and show you. Ameenda wapi?
Si the same date watu wanatoka. Aki sasa nitafanyaje intermittent fasting na hizi vitu zote? Not fasting nini? Inaitwaje? Guys, finally, almost calling it a day here in Diani, but I'm just so excited. Like, you guys, look at the water. So amazing.